those using the GB WhatsApp, that if someone make a status and delete the status, you still see it and you think like, oh, you are smarter. And also if someone send you a message and a person delete the message, you still see it. Now this option is not going to work, because those using the WhatsApp GB, WhatsApp FM and TM WhatsApp, bad news for you. Yes, because now WhatsApp, the official WhatsApp team, has started removing and also banning people's accounts on this unofficial WhatsApp, like the GB WhatsApp, the FM WhatsApp, and the U WhatsApp, plus that of the TM WhatsApp. So if you have been using any of these WhatsApp on your phone, then be ready that the official WhatsApp, they are going to send you a message that reads like this, that your WhatsApp will be banned. That is, your number on any of these unofficial WhatsApp is going to be removed, and you'll be given an option to download the normal or the official WhatsApp, that's the WhatsApp Messenger, so as to help you continue chatting on WhatsApp. So those using the GB WhatsApp, that if someone make a status and delete the status, you still see it and you think like, oh, you are smarter. And also if someone send you a message and a person delete the message, you still see it. Now this option is not going to work, because you are going to be removed from the GB WhatsApp by the official WhatsApp team. So the little advice I'll give you is that if you have some important chat that you want to make or that you'll be making, make sure you switch to the official WhatsApp, that's the WhatsApp Messenger, so that all your chat will be secure, because this unofficial WhatsApp, like the third-party WhatsApp, our chats are not encrypted, that is, they are not secured. So WhatsApp is giving us this notice that we should all move from this unofficial WhatsApp to that of the official WhatsApp, so that our chat, our privacy will be protected. Okay, so that's the news for us. As the name goes, here is the Talk Tech. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share the video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, that is the talk of the tech.